Nothing sprouting? Weak roots? Soil that just won't deliver? You see, most plants struggle before they even start. Not because you're neglecting them, but because the soil just isn't ready. Without the right nutrients, roots can't anchor well, growth slows down, and plants never reach their full potential. That's where specially formulated high nutrient value organic fertilizer makes all the difference. Packed with phosphate and calcium to boost root development and disease resilience, preventing deficiencies like blossom end rot, plus nitrogen and potassium for strong lush growth and natural pest resilience. It gives plants all the nutrients they need for healthy growth. It also feeds the soil with organic carbon and essential micronutrients, because when your soil is alive, everything thrives. It's safe for all garden plants, won't burn roots when used as directed, and it's easy to apply. Just add 100 grams per square meter every 4 months. Perfect for planting roses, flowers, shrubs, trees, lawns, root and fruiting veggies, and fruit trees. Give your garden the best possible start with the Vita Grow 232 from Talborne Organics. Healthy soil equals healthy plants equals healthy people.